In this video, I will show you how to delete your search history on Google Maps. So if you want to delete your search history on Google Maps, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we're going to open our Google Maps, and then from here, we are going to click on search here. And if you want to delete your search history that is in your recent, then what you're going to do is you're going to slide to the left, and then you're going to click on this trash icon, and then you see that you can delete your history. But there's also a way to delete all of your history at once. Let's say when you have a lot in here and you want to change and you want to clean everything, then you're going to click on back in here, and now you're going to click on this profile icon at the top right. From here, you're going to click on settings. From your settings, we're going to scroll down, and we're going to scroll down again. And then here we see Maps History. We're going to click on this, and then it will redirect us to google.com. And now in order to delete everything, we can just click on this arrow down in here, and then we can just click on delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. So if you want to do that, go ahead and click on this, and then it will ask you to confirm this by clicking on delete in here. And once you do that, you see that the deletion is complete. And right now everything in your Google Maps will be deleted. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.